Experience student living at its finest at Brooklyn Heights, the perfect blend of comfort and community at the heart of New York. Pick from elegant non-en-suites with shared rooms and lavish one-bedroom private apartments, complete with warm beds for restful snoozes, tons of storage, and dedicated study spaces for midnight cramming sessions. With all-inclusive utilities, there are no surprise bills to stress about. Breeze through laundry at the on-site facilities, then smash intense workouts in the fitness room. There's a game room to get competitive, a media room for blockbuster nights, and a study lounge for focused sessions. Guess what? Brooklyn Law School and Pace University are just a few minutes by car, so grab a coffee on the way and still reach class on time. Catch a bus from Cadman Plaza West bus stops or hop on the subway from Clark Street or High Street and explore the city seamlessly. Delight you inner foodie with a stroll to popular cafes and restaurants all around the property. So, book your spot at Brooklyn Heights, New York today with amberstudent.com.